I just simply cannot overemphasize the importance of having an international passport. I tell you guys all the time on the channel that you need to get yourself one. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all that you need to know, all the processes and steps, all the requirements that you need to have to get yourself an international passport here in Nigeria. So I am on the official website where you can start this process, and I will leave a link to that in the description. The good thing is you can start the process online, but you cannot go through the entire process without going into the office. One of the things, most important thing, is to actually do a phase called capturing. Okay, so after the capturing, then it will take a while before they will now call you back to come and pick your passport. I'm going to come back to this page, but first of all, I need you guys to understand why this is important, why this video, you need to watch this video and understand the entire process. You can see here that the NIS, the Nigerian Immigration Service, is saying that Nigerians have to stop paying money to officers when applying for an international passport. In fact, they go on to say that this is not only a crime on the part of you, the applicant, but also it's wrong for officers to demand money to facilitate the process. So that's to say, you need to be doing this the right way, which is why this video, of course, is important for you to watch. Now to the steps that you need to take to have your passport done. You need to visit the page of the Nigerian Immigration Service, which is the Nigerian Immigration Portal. I will leave a link to that in the description. That's the first website that I showed you guys, and that's where you start the process. Now you need to select a passport type. You can either do the standard e-passport or the official e-passport. Now there are different types of passports with different pages in it. So there is a 32 pages and a 64 pages, and both of them will cost different amounts. So the least that you can spend for a passport is 26,000 naira in Nigeria. Okay, so fill out the application form on the website, click on the submit application button to view the applicant detail page. After you do that, ensure that you provide the correct national identity number, and then choose the available date for capturing at the immigration office. I told you guys you cannot go through the process completely online, so this capturing process requires you to go into the office, the immigration office, and your picture is going to be taken. They're going to take bio data, your thumbprint, and all of that kind of stuff. Pretty much what you will also experience when you're trying to get a driver's license. After the capturing, click on proceed to online payment. Click to select payment currency. You can pay in naira or you can pay in dollars, and then click to continue. So now to the documents that you need. You will need a standard passport photograph. You will need a local government letter of identification. You're going to need a birth certificate or age declaration, guarantor's form sworn to before a commissioner of oaths or magistrate or high court judge, parents' letter of consent. This is for minors if you are under the age of 16, marriage certificate where it's applicable, and police report in case of lost passport. So these are the things that you will need. Very basic here, very standard. Back to the NIS portal, you can see here that there is an important notice. Once you get on this website, you're most likely going to see this notice that says, if you're applying for the Nigerian passport from within Nigeria, click here. And if you intend to apply for your passport from outside of Nigeria, or intend to use the NIS service that's outside of Nigeria, click on continue. So I'm not going to do this because I already have my passport, but let me just walk you guys through like halfway of the process so you can know what to expect. So I'm going to click on passport application from within Nigeria, which I believe most of you guys would be doing. So you see what the page looks like. It is a 4 phase process where you have to do the passport type, personal details, contact information, and next of kin information. So you want to select if you are applying for a fresh passport or you are trying to renew your passport. So let's say you're applying for fresh one, so you can choose between the official passport and the standard passport. You want the standard passport, you choose your processing state, choose the type of booklet that you want. If you're going for 32 pages, you pay less. Of course, 64 would be a little more. So I'm going to select 32 pages and then select the validity. This is going to be valid for 5 years, and as you can see here, the fee is 25,000 naira that you are going to pay for this. So I am going to click on this and just head on to the next page to show you what you need to do as well. So you can select your title here, just basic process, you continue, and then contact information and next of kin, and you go on. That is how you do the process online, and from there on they're going to take it, sending you emails letting you know when to come to the office for your capturing, and then after that they are going to also send you an email when to come and pick up your actual passport when it is ready. I think it's very important that you start this process online because it eliminates the problem of people trying to help you expedite it and trying to rip you off, the men at the gate, you know, doing the whole express thing. Because once you get there, anybody that approaches you, you tell them that you've already started the process, you're only coming here for capturing, you know, and you also save yourself a ton of stress. You also save yourself a ton of money because you pay the actual amount that you need to pay. Sometimes even the officials, the ones right inside the offices, might want to lobby you and make you pay a little more, you know, to appreciate them. This is Nigeria, and it's very common for people to officials to do stuff like that. So once you start this process online, you go there, you do your capturing, and then you can get your stuff done in time and with less stress. I did not do it like this, and honestly I wish I did. I know that when I got there, I had all of these guys trying to help me do the whole thing, and I told them no, I wanted to get into the office. I did. It was a little more stressful because I had to go like 3 times. I had to go first for the registration, and I didn't capture at the same day. They told me to come back. There was an issue with the thing, so I went back again for capturing, and then went back finally to get my actual passport. So you see, this is one phase down if you start the process online. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being a part of the family, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.